In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printable wall art in Canva. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished, print-ready file you can frame or share, keeping everything simple and clear. First, open Canva by heading to canva.com. Log in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Canva works on both web and mobile, but if you're designing for print, using a computer can make precise placement and color adjustments easier. Start a new design. From the home page, choose Create a Design and pick a size that suits your frame, like poster, A4, or a custom size if you already know your dimensions. Setting the correct size at the start ensures your artwork prints at the right scale without stretching or cropping later. You can begin with a blank canvas or pick a template. In the Templates section, use the search bar and type Wall Art, Poster, or Printable Art. Browse the styles, then click a layout you like to open it. Templates are fully customizable, so consider them a useful starting point rather than a fixed design. Now add your art elements. Go to the Uploads panel to bring in your photos, graphics, or illustrations, then drag them onto the canvas. For crisp prints, make sure any images are high quality. Aim for 300 dpi. As a handy guideline, a 10-inch wide print should use an image roughly 3,000 pixels wide to remain sharp. Customize your text and style. Click Text to add a heading or body text, then type your quote or message. Change the font style, size, and color to match your theme. Try pairing a bold display font for the main phrase with a clean, simple font for supporting text. Adjust letter spacing and line height for readability, especially if the design includes small details. Arrange your layout thoughtfully. Move, resize, or rotate elements to create a balanced composition. Keep some white space so the artwork doesn't feel crowded. Use Canva's alignment guides to center elements and maintain even margins, and make sure nothing important sits too close to the edge. Review and adjust before exporting. Zoom in to check edges, alignment, spacing, and overall readability. Step back and ask if the focal point is clear and the colors feel cohesive. Tiny tweaks at this stage make a big difference in print. When you're ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for the best printer quality. If you're planning to share the design online or sell a digital version, choose PNG or JPG instead. That's it. Your printable wall art is ready to frame, gift, or upload to your shop.